Hello guys, in this video we are gonna see how to glow the 9 segment display in it. So this is called the 745H with the segment display. As we seen in the last video, we'll also make some of the changes in it. So the components required to make this is an Arduino Uno and a breadboard and then 74H695 this chip. Then you will need an 1 segment display. Then you will need some 8 220 ohms resistor. Then you will need 26 jumper cables. So now let's make it. So first of all this is how it is gonna be, and this is how you can see over here is our display, and this is the pins of it. Here you can see it. These are the pins of it. So now let's make it. Next of all, 0 to 9, 10 corresponding each digits are as follows. Then first of all you have to connect from this is the connection diagram. So here you can see, here's the connection diagram. So now after doing the connections, you can see that this is how it can show it. And first of all you have to connect 74H, and first the wiring connected to the power and the ground. VCC from pin 16 and MR pin 10 connected to 5 volt. Then ground pin 8 and OE are connected to the ground. So now let's see the coding. So the coding is the same as we took in the last picture, but here are some changes. So here you can see that the byte 7 segment display, this B1100 to the segment display will show it 0. Then B001100 will show it 1, and like that we have till 9, because it can only show till 9. And next we have to connect the pin latch, and these are the connections. The pin 3 latch pin to the latch pin 3. Then you have to connect the SHP of the 747 to the pin 4, which is the clock pin, and you have to connect it to the clock pin. Then the connect to the DS of this 74H pin 2 is the data pin, which is connected to 2. Then that void setup, and void setup is always the same as in the 74H, and the main difference you can see this one alone. This is the this one is the very important for the segment display. And after that just connect it to your Arduino Uno, and it will start lighting like this. So here you can see it is functioning again. And if you remove any of these 3 important pins, like the digital pin, the clock pin, or the number pin, it will disconnect and show just 8, 8 and 8. So this is, you can use it for the countdown. Thank you guys.